Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Louis7, and today I am using my green screen, and yeah, it's not, it took me a long time. This video might be boring for some, but might be really interesting to others. But this is my whole setup on how I got my green screen set up. It's a homemade green screen. Let me just show you guys real quick. By disabling it, as you can see, it's just blue in the back. That's straight up a tissue I found from my house. It's pretty efficient. Took me a long time. I really don't want to show you guys the other side. I will describe it though. I have my blue snowball microphone on the arm stand, kind of pointing down. The actual webcam is on it, and that's kind of like tilted a bit. Then after I have my insane light right behind it, which is kind of blinding, and then this other light which I don't have on because it kind of messes it up, and then my two monitors and the rest. So yeah, basically I got this, I got the whole overlay and everything running, and I decided to get the thing where it ends right here, and over there it just kind of goes on. Yeah, I don't really know how to explain it, but hope you guys enjoy this video. This is like basically 50 minutes of me going around through Photoshop and it physically adjusting. More than half was me physically adjusting, then the rest is Photoshop, fixing stuff up, getting the right overlay, and I think the hand cam's pretty big, but that's the only way I could get my face cam to be on top. So if I don't have it to the hand cam, then I'd have the chat or something else. Maybe I could do like somehow half-half. I don't know how that would really work. Either way, hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace.
Tucking on my pink ring, smelling like chrysanthemum. I just want that bump. Tucking on my pink ring, smelling like chrysanthemum. I just want that bump.
Chuki beat.
Tucking on my pink ring, smelling like chrysanthemum. I just want that bump.
Chuki beat.
I did it. I think I did it, boys. Alright, now I gotta change my overlay. Let's go in Photoshop. Let's do this together. I'm gonna close this out. It's lagging right now. Curse of the Tula. Alright, so y'all already what's gonna happen? I'm gonna make myself a revamp. Make myself a revamp. 25 minutes recording. I'm just trying to show you guys what's going on, you know? I wasn't planning this. What is the dura? I wanna grab this and I wanna fix it, but I kinda wanna merge these.
Sucking on my pink ring, smelling like chrysanthemum. I just want that bump.
I want to. Is this new? Turn on your stop. Oh, is it? Yes, it's yes. I'll let you know. Okay, so this put together pretty closely before this stuff. For all along. Okay. I'll start with the original. Let's put this. Let's show how it is. So let's go. Let's go inside. Now here's something. And my two things. And this is okay. I'll this over. Is that it? I think it is. I believe so. Okay. Save as. Oh wait, hold on. Hide this. Save. Bruh. Okay. Export. No, let's do the save first. I'll just do full overlay. Stream. Export, quick export because we don't care about the size. And yeah, I don't think I should close it. Alright, let's actually show you guys what's going on here. Man, who gives a shit about the encoding? Well, Langy. So we're going to hide that. Or no. We're gonna hide this. And instead of this, we're gonna do this. Okay. And now we're gonna hide the bar up top. Yeah, well I guess hide that. Or I put the young bar. There it is. Alright. Then we're gonna move this over down yonder. Then we're gonna grab this and move it down yonder. So that's good. Now let's fix up the me. I find that's really small.
Sucking on my pink ring, smelling like chrysanthemum. I just want that bump.
I'm not copying any streamers, I swear to God. I was inspired, let's just say that. And there we go. This is gonna be my official streaming and recording. I think the freaking thing is kind of big, honestly, for the hand cam, but it's fine, honestly. I have the green screen up here now, so that's nice. I think I'm gonna grind some Fortnite now. Yep. Alright. Thanks for watching.